in action on Mo's Vet. Went over to the hose man. Said, hey man, shorten these sons of bitches. So he did. Got it all handled. Took about 2.5, 3 inches out of these. So I'm going to put them on, get that situated. And then we will pretty much be done with that section of the system. And I'm going to be on fan control and compressor wiring. Yeah. So moving forward. Our stuff for our center cluster is actually out for delivery today or tonight. So tomorrow I can wrap that up and then we can do the ducts and then Scotty can get the top of the dash on and we might actually have some shit done. Woohoo!
Why Scotty gotta do it? Why can't you do it?
We working together, bitch.
Oh, so that's what I am to you now, huh? I'm just a working whore.
We already knew you were a whore.
Well, you know, hey, it is what it is.
Shit, you do it for free.
Well, yeah. As long as they got food, I'm good.
That's a spirit. Anyway, I'm gonna put these hoses on and then we'll get some video. Back over here on the vet, I got all of our hoses routed as per instructions in the kit, minus actually drilling holes in the fender wells and shit. I actually went through the factory hole, as you saw earlier. Or earlier, not earlier, the other day. So I just got to retension our belt, which, you know, we're just mocked here. Everything else is tight, dryer's tight, all the lines are tight. So that's ready to charge once everything's wired and running and situated. That's ready to go. So, you have to put the bracket on the dryer, that's easy. So that's done. Now, going to start on our PCV. I still have to make our fuel line too, right here. So, fuel line, PCV setup, compressor wiring. Scotty's still over there jerking it.
Told you I was trying to get a nut.
You,
Oh, wait.
And I got to work on a couple other things. Lots of stuff still to do, but progress.
I got my nut.
Scotty nutted.